Now listen up. The poem On the Ocean, written by the great poet of English, Samuel Taylor Coleridge. S.T. Coleridge. How to pronounce the poem?
Yes.
So let me sing the poem first. It will be ease with you. It will be ease with you for the pronunciation. All in the hot and copper sky. All in the hot and copper sky. The bloody sun that glows. Right up above the mast it stands. Right up above the mast it stands. No bigger than the moon. All in the hot and copper sky. The bloody sun at noon. Right up above the mast it stands. No bigger than the moon. Day after day, day after day, day after day, we step nor breath nor motion. We step nor breath nor motion. As idle as a painted ship. As idle as a painted ship. Upon a painted ocean. Upon a painted ocean. All in the hot and copper sky. The blurry sun that glows. Water, water everywhere. Water, water everywhere. Water, water everywhere. Water, water everywhere. And all the birds did sing. Water, water everywhere. Water, water everywhere. But not a drop to drink. Water, water everywhere. And all the birds did shrink. And all the birds did shrink. Water, water everywhere. And all the birds did shrink. Water, water everywhere. Water, water everywhere. But not a drop.